So in Kit, you may have need to let your subscribers receive an email sequence more than once. There's a number of reasons why that could be the case. It could be, for example, if you're sending out reminder emails or something, then the sequence gets repeated. Or if you're sending out, maybe course material, or for any reason you want. It could even be for like a lead magnet. If someone signs up to your list, gets a lead magnet, and then unsubscribes for some reason, and then maybe in 6 months or 12 months come back again, you want them to be able to receive that same sequence of emails again. You need to configure your sequence to allow that. So I'm going to show you how you do that inside Kit. If you go to send and then sequences, and I'll just pick one at random here. So I'm going to choose this one here. And this one's only got one email in it, but irrespective of what's in it, doesn't matter. It could be 20 emails in there. Where it's configured is under this settings button at the top right corner here. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go into it. It says inside the Kit settings, there's a question that says, should subscribers be able to restart this sequence multiple times? Now, the default answer for that question is no, only allows subscribers to receive the email once. So if you haven't changed the default settings for a sequence you have, and perhaps you're wondering why subscribers are not getting the emails, the second time round, it's probably because of the setting inside here. So all you need to do is click yes. It gives you a little warning down here. It just says when a sequence can be restarted, subscribers may receive the same content more than once. So just make you aware of that. Once you've set that to yes, you need to remember and click the update sequence button at the bottom right corner. And that's it now saved. And so now if I was to use, let's say I was to use this in a visual automation, I'll just create one quickly, just to show you what I mean. If I chose that data collection sequence that I changed the settings on, this one here, and add action, you can see here this icon here, see it's got the little two arrows swirling around like in a circular motion. That little icon denotes that this is now set up so that the subscribers can receive it more than once. If I was to put in just pick another email sequence at random, let's say this one, you can see there is no little icon on this one. It's just a standard email icon. In contrast to this one, it's got that little circular icon there. So that's how you can set a sequence up so that it can be delivered to your subscribers more than once.